You're learning with 9 to 5 English. Business English for the workplace. Hi, Tim here, with another 9 to 5 English lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to make an offer in English. There's give and take in every relationship, and giving involves making an offer. It might be something simple, like offering a cup of coffee, or it might be something big, like help with a project. In some situations, like offering a drink, we can make the offer very directly. One common way to do this is with the word can. So, you can ask a question like, "Can I help you with that?" Or you can make a statement like, "I can get you a cup of coffee if you want." How about a bit of practice on making direct offers? Let's try some examples. Listen to each example, then repeat it yourself. Ready? Let's get started.
Can I get you anything?
I can clean up when we're finished here if you want.
How about I buy you some lunch?
Need a hand with that report?
As you heard, you can also use the question, "How about?" to make a direct offer. You just add what you want to do for the person after "How about?" Such as, "How about I get you some coffee?" And you can also just ask if someone needs or wants something. Asking them like this means you're offering to give it to them. Now, sometimes you don't want to be too direct. Instead, you want to be polite and careful. This might be true with someone you don't know well or in a sensitive situation. So, how can you make a careful offer? Well, instead of can, you can use could. For example, you might say, "Could I give you some help?" Just a little change like this can make a big difference. You can also use other polite expressions, such as would you and shall I? For example, you might say, "Would you like some help with that?" Or, "Shall I send you that document?" Let's try some examples of making careful offers in these ways. Remember to repeat the examples after you hear them.
If you like, I could give you some help with that.
Would you like me to review the report for you?
Could I offer you a glass of water while you wait?
Shall I organize the files for you?
Great job! And maybe you noticed some if questions in both the direct and careful offers. To make an offer with an if question, just say that you can or could do something if you want, or if you like. And you can change the order of the two parts. I mean, you can say, I could help you if you like, or if you like, I could help you. Besides making offers, you also need to respond to offers. Whether you're accepting or rejecting an offer, it's polite to make a complete sentence. Just saying yes or no is not enough. To accept an offer, you can use the word would again. Like, that would be nice, or I would like that. And to reject an offer, you can say, no thank you. And then add a bit more, like, that's okay, or I'm all right. Let's try some more practice. This time, we'll be responding to offers. Here we go.
That would be great. Thank you.
Sure, I'd appreciate that.
No, thank you. I'm all right.
That's okay. I should be able to do it.
I'd like to point out one important thing in those examples. In the last one, you heard, that's okay. This expression actually means no. It can be confusing because okay means yes, but that's okay means the opposite. All right, so we've practiced making and responding to offers. But how does this sound in a conversation? Let's listen to a short dialogue between John and Kim. John is offering to help Kim with some work.
Would you like me to help you write the proposal?
Thanks, that's okay. I should be able to do it.
Okay, so how about I review it when you're finished?
Sure, I'd appreciate that.
As you heard, Kim rejected John's offer to help write the proposal, but accepted his help reviewing it. Now it's your turn to practice. We'll repeat the dialogue, but this time we're going to beep out the second speaker's words. You will have to say those parts yourself. Remember to reject the first offer, then accept the second one.
Would you like me to help you write the proposal? Okay, so how about I review it when you're finished?
Okay, that just about does it for this lesson. We've learned some great ways to make and respond to offers. Tune in next time to learn about making and responding to requests. Until then, so long and happy learning.